Hello and welcome to this new feature announcement video. I'm Marcel from Verify and I will guide you through this new feature we will share with you today. The new feature is our new BigQuery connection and the BigQuery auto setup you can do with Verify. This will allow you to evaluate your A/B tests directly with the raw data of Google Analytics, which is stored in BigQuery. So let's dive into the feature and I will show you how it works. Okay, so here we are in the verified tracking setup. As you can see, there is already a setup done to a Google Analytics 4 account. The Google account is connected to Verify here and the right property is selected. To use BigQuery, we simply turn on the function here and you can now connect your existing project. So if you already export your GA4 data to an BigQuery project, you can select the project here and connect it to Verify. If you don't have a BigQuery project yet, you can go to the one-click auto setup and create a new project with one click. As you see in the background, the project is created to the connected Google account. And once it is done, you will have your project here with your project ID. All right then, so after connecting Verify and your BigQuery project, you are able to select BigQuery goals in your A/B testing report. In this case, we are in a report of a demo A/B test, which is running since some days, so it should have collected some data to show you. Let's start by adding a GA4 goal first. So we can simply add a goal by clicking on Add Goal and select the goal we want to see in our A/B test by selecting it from the dropdown. As you see, we can access all goals and events you have in your GA4, so you don't have to create your own goals in Verify. After that, the event as goal is visible in Verify. And now let's add the BigQuery goal as well. You can see we have the same goals here as in GA4. Since this is based on GA4 data, we can select the event count for item view and we can select it to the report. And as you can see, there is no SQL required. Just in a few clicks, we get the A/B testing data for this event from BigQuery directly. As you can see here, there's a little difference between the GA4 goal and the BigQuery goal. Even if we selected the same event, we see a little less visitors in the BigQuery goal. This is caused because we have, for the BigQuery goal, access to the raw data, to the raw user and event data, which is measured by GA4. GA4 itself doesn't show us this data, so we need to rely on the data GA4 shows us. This doesn't mean that the GA4 goal isn't good or the evaluation of your A/B tests in GA4 isn't good enough to make decisions. But as you can see, we have a little difference in the improvement and the confidence between the GA4 and the BigQuery goal. This becomes important if you have an A/B test with a very small improvement and you are not sure if it is significant or not, or if you have a test which is not very significant and you are unsure if it is a significant winner, then it makes sense to use the BigQuery data instead, which relies on the raw data to evaluate your A/B test and make a decision based on the BigQuery data instead. Another big advantage of the BigQuery connection is that you can segment your reporting without SQL skills necessary. So in Verify, you also have the option to segment, for example, for your mobile traffic in the A/B test, and you get the unsampled data and the raw data from BigQuery segmented by the mobile traffic. You can also add revenue goals for your A/B tests. So you simply select the purchase event and the revenue selection here, and the purchase goal, which is then imported to your report, has the revenue data of your purchase events. So in the end, you have multiple options here to use the BigQuery data to evaluate your experiment. So if you are interested in connecting your Verify account with BigQuery or doing A/B tests based on BigQuery data, then feel free to contact us. via this QR code to get early access for this new feature at verify.io.